Ka MDC na umsning Constituency ka kong Magdalene S. Maulong kala ay ka jingiro ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance da ka baong ba day tang kani ka sarkar ka ba nuot ban shimi ki matray kam ki ba kraw ki ba kiwe ki sarkar balaled kim shimla nuot satya but day na kani bala kringi ki ba buon manwan paniyaso siya ka National People's Party. Ya kani ka kong Magdalene kala penpaw ka jingilang led paniyaso jongka siya ka NPP haka arpo artarik urimpang arajar po ar. Kala ong ba kanyet scam ba kalama jong ke NPP kan kaweh baroh Tylli Constituency Ri Bhoi District house nam arajarar pulai.
I would like to contribute to the best of my ability to work for the welfare of all. We have observed that no other government or party has taken sensitive issue like this government does and has brought a drastic change in the state as a whole. With the dynamic leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister, who is also the National President of the party and our Deputy Chief Minister, we would see the drastic changes in the state as a whole. We look forward to work with you hand in hand with your support and your suggestions and your advice. I will try my level best and put my best effort to work for the people of my constituency and for the state as a whole. We will come with flying colors in 2023. Ngai kublay, yepi, kinong kit kam jongki constituency baroh Tylli kata non sning bat nong po. Inget scam, ka jingya denti ke jongi nang ni shikmat. Kanong ka bajalan. Ndai ka jingdor rengkat lang ka jongpi. Inget scam bangila ban poi. Sya kata katong jong jingjok. Kum kinong mi khmat, ngidon ka banta ba kraw. Bangan lori ata ka lingkhas ka bangidon. Ngidai bandon kata ka mensim ka jong jingi e, ka mensim ka ba kelut banye ka dop lang yaki wei pat. Ngidai bandon katong ka khmat jongi. Ngidai bandon ka mission bat ka vision. Kum kinong kit kam, ai ngindon kata ka jingi Tylli bangin be sya per sya katong. Ni kermen scam bengidon hakan ka yeng jong ke NPP da ka jing ya trailang borba jong CM badon hang ni Chief Minister ke Deputy Chief Minister Minister baroh ki perlok niem artatien bahau arajar pulai kalama jong ke NPP kan kaweh baroh Tylli ki district jong ka Ri Bhoi ka jing ya trailang ka jong pi kalong ka bor ai bakadong bakathan jong ka Ri Bhoi kan pernai da ka jing yas nok tilang ka jong pi da ka jing it ba ka jing ya Tylli